1 sec pebble wreck. Okay, so hey guys, we are playing some Doomspire Brickbattle today. Oh yeah, my friend JennyBenny is playing with us today. And I'm horrible on Build Battle on the computer. Don't blame me. I'm bad. So I'm just gonna be watching pretty much. I'm way better on tablet. Don't blame me. I wasn't playing Murder Mystery, but since I played Murder Mystery on tablet too much, they only let me choose tablet or phone as my choice. So it always messes up on this. So I'm like, frick. I'm like, frick chicks. Frick the chicks is what I mean. Wait, I just put it in big mode. Sorry. Okay, now I need to get up. I'm bad. I'm bad at this game, as you can see. Let me tell her. Oh, wait, hey. Come on. I'm not chatting. I have face cam. My laptop is very slow. Okay. No. Hey. We suck. Okay. Come on. I just want to start a new round. Oh, wait, I can shoot from here. Oh. Never mind, we won the game. Good job. Okay. So now what we do is we try to knock down the other person's tower. That's all you do in this game. And of course I'm going to try to knock down Jenny's because what else can I do? Nothing else. Don't kill me, Jenny. Don't kill me, Jenny. Don't kill me, Jenny. Let me just put a ball placing right here, right next to where you... No. I'm not leaving the game. I'm just going to drop a bomb right there. Destroy some of your castle. Good job. I mean your tower. Why would I call it a castle? I'll put another bomb right here. Break some more of your castle. I mean, why do I keep calling it castle? No, it's a building. A building is what it's called, Zachariah. Okay. This is destroy more parts of your tower. Okay, let's break some more. Oh my gosh, this is actually... Oh, wow. I didn't die. Okay, this is actually really easy. Oh, wait, I just died. Never mind, that's not easy. Okay. This really is only going to last for about 10 minutes. I'm only going to do one round. I will try to fit in another video with Jenny tonight if she doesn't have to go to bed. It's already 9 o'clock. I get why she would have to go to bed. Why those noobs are fighting with their swords over there? Oh, they're not. Well, now the noob's trying to shoot a bomb at me. I'm just gonna go back over here and destroy Jenny's castle. I keep calling it a castle. It's a tower. Okay, that did nothing. I forgot the first floor doesn't do anything. Kaboom! Put another one right here. No damage whatsoever. I'm gonna die. Watch this. Oh. Yeah, there we go. That's how you lose. Wow, I feel bad for Jenny. Look at the top corner. She's the red team. There's only one person on her team, that's her. I feel... Ew, that guy has no shirt on. Even though he's trying to destroy my castle, I'm going to let him. Because I don't want to even touch him. Oh. Good job. You killed me. Great job. You killed me. Amazing job. Okay. Let's keep playing. Oh, I fell. I do not know how to control laptop. If you are wondering, I suck. I haven't gone on laptop in years because I've been grounded, as you can remember. So I play on tablet, and I'm usually better on tablet now. I haven't played Roblox on a laptop or computer in like 5 months. So I playing tablet now, so tablet is way easier for me now. But I suck on laptop now. I need to get back into laptop range. Like, instead of tapping on it like tablet, you have to like touch a number. I'm not used to that anymore. But yeah, this video is gonna last for about 10 minutes because I want to upload this before Jenny goes to sleep so she can see it. By the way, chat in the real chat. Oh my god, Jenny, is that your real name? Or just tell me in the chat what's your actual name. You don't need to share it if you don't want to. Just wondering. But yeah, shout out to JennyBenny 20084. She is one of my best friends on Roblox. Big shout out to her. I forgot what her channel is, but look on the coming back soon video. She talked on it. I think it's like DJ something, NJ something. But yeah, she has 3 subs, but she hasn't done any videos yet so for that it's pretty good. But yeah, remember guys, at 45 subs I will be making a shirt saying thank you to all 45 subscribers, and on the back of my shirt it will show every person that has subscribed. That will be coming out soon. And I will also be making one of those in my merch is for Roblox as well, not just regular shirts. I cannot get down on the bottom floor. I suck. I'm glitchy. Okay. Remember, I'm only doing 1 round because I'm tired. I don't seem like I'm tired, but trust me, I'm tired. But yeah, let's just keep playing, have some fun. I may do a top 5 intro templates tonight if you guys support me. You're probably not. And that's why 3 times in a row I cannot do anything. All I can do now is like use the rocket, and you think rockets would be good, but listen to me right now. No, they are terrible. You've heard it right from the boss who has 35 subscribers. No, 33. By the way, I've tied Lila on subscriber account, and I will give her a surprise if she beats me in subscribers before summer break. And bro, thank you guys so much. 10 subscribers in 3 weeks. She's gotten 2 in 3 weeks. Good job for me. Oh! Don't kill me! I need to do more YouTube videos. Finally! Let's shoot a bomb before he kills me! Let's see it! Shoot! Ba-ba-bum. Bum-ba. Don't fall off. That'll be bad. Just because I want to, I'm just gonna, if I can find Jenny, oh my god. That was not what I was trying to do. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, if I can find Jenny, I'm good at bombing targets. I want to have some fun since I'm pretty much winning the game right now. We are going to try to shoot Jenny with Jenny with my rocket, and if we can, that would be hilarious, and she'll get mad at me. But for now, let's just... Oh, there's Jenny. Shoot her! I shoot her! She never even noticed. Good try, Jenny. Good try. But I got you. Let's keep playing, though. Okay, let me just peek through this little corner. I'm just gonna break this open since, well, that did not help at all. But yeah, Jenny is the one in the galaxy purple dress. All that stuff. She's the one that I'm pointing at right now. What I'm trying to do is trying to shoot. I see her right there. Nope, she's not there anymore. I see her. Shoot! 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 Hit Jenny in the face. Wasn't anywhere near Jenny. I can't go anywhere else because I suck, so... I see her. Shoot her. No, now she's over there. Good tricks. Still gonna get you, though. Right here, right now. Caught on YT. Did I get you? Jenny, chat in the comments if I got you. I'm pretty sure I did not. Go back! No, you never went back. Why? Why, JennyBenny? Can I call you Jenny Bunny? But I laughed so weird, sorry, but Jenny, are you serious? You're destroying my castle! No, it's not called a castle. It's called a tower. It's called a tower. Keep calling it castle. Like, it's a castle. I'm not going to be able to finish this video in time. I'm already on the 11th minute. And I have the trial for like a month. So I can only do it for 15 minutes long. But it's a good deal. Let's just shoot Jenny again. Oh! Can I finish off her castle? Go! Shoot it! Whatever you can do. It's shaking around. Like a chrysalis. Like a crystal, there it goes! Whee! So, Jenny, who do you think's gonna win now? I'm gonna break all of your teammates right there, right now. I hit the noob right in the face. Good job, noob. You're frozen now. He's frozen now. And now, Jenny, I'm gonna shoot you in the face. And, of course, I missed you. Oh, and you just broke down your own castle. Good job. La, la. If I don't finish this round, I'll show you who won in the comments section below, guys. Tap a like. Please tap a like, because I need it. I need it in my life. Dang, this thing is so frozen. I hate my laptop. It's so frozen. My laptop is like the frozen thing ever. I don't know if you're thinking it's frozen. I cannot push anything at all. It's frozen. No! I may have to restart this video. R.I.P. R.I.P. Why would this... Hello? Hello, YouTube. This is going to be the end of the video. Goodbye. Hello? Don't say I gotta restart this video. That would really suck. Come on. You got this. Just push the end button. Oh. Hey. It's still working, guys. By the way, I lost. Because I had to fix my face cam. Good job. Now you're not going to watch the last video. Bye-bye. Shout out to JennyBenny. You're amazing for playing with me. I'll play with you again tomorrow if I can, but yeah, bye guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Now you stay here. I'm going to go get my cat for the outro. 1 second. Bye guys. Thank you for watching Zachariah's video. I'll see you next time. Boo, 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 boo. Bye guys.